Greetings. My name is Fatemah. My candidate number is 0022 and my center number is IN518. My presentation topic for today is a global issue and is considered a boon in some countries and a bane in others. It's urbanization in relation to a sustainable future. What is urbanization? Urbanization can be defined as a process by which more and more people leave the countryside to live in the cities. Now, urbanization is a process by which development occurs, but it can be a problem due to the alarming rate by which it occurs. Sustainability. A sustainable development is defined as one that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Now, let's evaluate the argument. Since my main theme for this presentation is economics, all the advantages and disadvantages are in the economic point of view. First of all, the economy grows, and as demand increases causes the increase in production. The living standard of people migrating increases, and because of the better facilities in the city, tourists are attracted to that city, and thus a greater revenue is earned. The disadvantages are more in number and in more serious implications. Scarcity of resources and a high demand together cause inflation, which affects the working class and the poor people. Since the main occupation in villages is agriculture, the agricultural industry suffers because of farmers migrating to cities. Hence, the chances of unemployment increases in the cities if the people migrating are more in number than the job opportunities offered in the city, and hence crime rates may increase and the overall standard of living drops. The economic causes of urbanization. Industrialization. When industries flourish, they take over small farmers, then they have to migrate. Industrial products become cheaper and agricultural products have a lower demand. Poverty in rural areas means that there is lack of education and good job opportunities, so people have to migrate in order to find better facilities. And economic growth. Advancement in healthcare increases the population in cities because of low death rates and high birth rates. Now, what are the effects of urbanization? Firstly, there is unemployment because if the people migrating are higher in number, there would be less job opportunities offered in the cities, and the scarcity of resources and the high demand together cause inflation. Transportation becomes a problem because of the congestion in that area due to a higher population, and urbanization ultimately means the destruction of natural habitats in order to create cities, so that causes land degradation. There's a loss of cultural values because people migrate from rural areas to cities in order to adapt to that environment. They lose their cultural values. So, Mumbai. I'll take an example of Mumbai. Out of a population of 1.84 crore, 60% of the population are migrants. 3.7% of the population is unemployed, and 1 crore of the population use personal transport. The housing costs have gone higher. Even micro homes, which are 189 square foot, has risen up to 53 lakhs. Despite of these factors, achieving sustainability is still a possibility. So, first we should try to achieve sustainability in a more individual and smaller scale. This can be done by carpooling or using public transportation more, purchasing energy-efficient products, and etc. Next, we should impose carbon tax. Carbon tax is the fee charged to businesses and individuals for their fuel use which damage the environment. Lastly, Oroville and the Green Belt. Oroville is a township community in southern India, and its main focus is the Mathuri Mandir, which is a spherical temple surrounded by the green belt. Its main focus is to create small-scale green industries and transformation of wastelands into vibrant ecosystems. This is my bibliography.